They say nature doesn't lie. But what if nature is more open than we are? In the heart of Africa, across the vast savannas, rainforests, and rivers, love takes many forms. Some are loud. Some are silent. Some challenge everything we think we know. Today, we are taking you into the unexpected, the hidden world of same-sex behavior in African wildlife. Yes, animals too. In the open plains of the Kenya, two male lions rub against each other. They nuzzle, groom, and even mount one another. And no, this is not dominance. Researchers have watched male lions form lifelong bonds as strong as those with lionesses. Some of these males even refuse to mate with females during their lifetime. Are they gay? That's not the point. What matters is, nature is fluid. Lions know loyalty, affection, and yes, same-sex intimacy. Now let's take a slow walk with the giants of the land, elephants. In elephant society, young bulls often form tight bachelor herds. But in those herds, many form special pairings. They entwine trunks, caress each other with their tusks, and engage in mounting rituals that are, in every sense, romantic. Some of these pairs last for decades. They migrate together, fight together, rest together. Isn't that something? Giraffes. Tall, graceful, and, apparently, quite flirty. In the wild, researchers have found that more than 90% of giraffe sexual activity happens between males. They nuzzle necks, rub faces, and swing their heads around each other in what scientists call necking. These encounters are not fights, they are courtship. And sometimes, it goes further. Turns out, height has nothing to do with what your heart wants. If you want to learn about love beyond boundaries, meet the bonobos, Africa's peacekeepers. These primates solve almost everything with affection, grooming, hugging, kissing, and yes, sex. Female bonobos often bond with each other, rubbing bodies in what scientists call GG rubbing. Male bonobos do it too. And you know what? It keeps the peace. Where there's love, there's less war. Same-sex behavior has been documented in more than 1,500 animal species, from African penguins to lizards and flamingos. It's not a mistake. It's not confusion. It's just nature. And if lions, elephants, giraffes, and even monkeys can embrace these bonds, why do we humans struggle so much? But this isn't just Africa's story. In the forest of India, wild macaques have been documented forming lifelong bonds with same-sex partners, grooming, cuddling, even parenting orphan infants together. In the Australian outback, black swans, yes, the iconic birds of the land, have male pairs who build nests together, steal eggs from females, and raise cygnets as loving co-parents. And deep in the Pacific Ocean, male dolphins form alliances, swimming in tight groups, protecting each other, and forming bonds that last a lifetime. Sometimes, they are so close, they swim belly to belly for hours. In Germany, at the Bremerhaven Zoo, two male penguins named Z and Vilpunkt refused female mates, choosing each other instead. They even hatched and raised a chick, proving that love builds families, regardless of gender. This video isn't about labels. It's not about politics. It's about understanding that love exists in many forms. In Africa, a land rich in spirit and culture, there is still fear. Still silence. But what if we paused and looked again? If nature, the very wildness we revere, has room for same-sex bonds, shouldn't we? So next time someone tells you it's not natural, show them this. Because in the heart of Africa, love is wild. Love is free.